Hello everyone. Welcome to our presentation of Team 22's Capstone project as part of the Emeritus 2019 Postgraduate Diploma program in Innovation and Design Thinking. My name is Andreas and I have the honor to represent our fabulous team today. My teammates over the last 9 months have been Rosalie, José and Min. Let's get started on the journey to a new competence platform to enhance the efficiency and fun of acquiring new skills. So, what is the problem we have decided to tackle? We live in a fast-moving world and many companies cannot provide the wide variety of courses that employees are looking for to stay current with what is needed today or to develop skills to get to the next level. Especially the need to handle the digital transformation is too much for most mid-sized companies. So there's no capacity to adjust to modern multi-format training methods and to appropriately consider individual preferred learning styles. Unfortunately, one size fits all is not working in learning and personal development, and intensive support to achieve learning goals is highly appreciated. At the end, a company should not lose good employees only because they cannot support individual motivated development of its employees. Our product will provide some unique values to our customers, learners and employers. For the learner, we offer very efficient learning by considering your individual learning style, as well as access to learning everywhere and every time. Even beyond classical classroom or structured e-learning, the learning content will be available, so you can use it in your current work context to refresh your skill at your fingertip. This will help anchoring what has been learned even more. Achievements are transparently available on competence and skill level, and not only attendance and successful fact remembering for quizzes is tracked. The combination of catalog and general applicable training, standards for your profession, role, or business segment, alongside with company-specific content only produced for you and by you, covers all the personal development requirements of your firm. In our primary market, we address successful mid-sized companies in Germany. This typical company has revenues between 50 million euros and 1 billion euros and less than 500 employees. They are financially well positioned, but they are also facing an increasing digitalization pressure. They need a skilled workforce to handle the additional investment in information and communication technologies to maintain their current state and get ready for future competitiveness. In Germany only, 10,000 mid-sized companies make up for more than 1/3 of the country's exports. Assuming that, half of them are actively adjusting to increased digitalization, and we believe that we will capture 2% of that market share with our solution. This amount of 100 companies is small and focused enough to build a perfect testbed for our first set of experiments. If the results prove our hypothesis to be true, the future market potential with different languages, learning topics, and an internet-based direct-to-consumer distribution channel is huge. The sky is the limit. Even if the back end of our solution is a cloud-based platform, the front end to our customers can either be a web application or a mobile app. This is how the mobile version of our product could look like. You always have your skills with you. You can browse a curated list of skills which are relevant for you. Or you look at a catalog of high-ranked skills which might open up new opportunities for your personal development and career paths. You manage your individual learning plans in the palm of your hand, and you have instant access to curated internet-based content or learning material exclusively produced for your company. The intelligent notification and alerting system will remind you of upcoming assignment deadlines, insufficient learning effort, how classmates are progressing with learning in the same team, and about other interesting skills you can acquire on the platform. What is the business model behind our solution? Learning content providers, authors, and other content creators are among the key players. The development of AI algorithms for the platform as well as the creation of educational concepts alongside with sales and marketing are our current key activities. For that, we will use resources such as a big data scientist experienced with educational data, a platform developer, and a machine learning designer. In the first phase, the contact with our business customers will be made mostly through a sales team, which will sell subscriptions to the targeted segment of mid-sized companies in Germany. Our initial main cost factor will be sales and platform operations and development. We have ambitious but realistic business goals, and therefore this is our revenue projection for the first 3 years. In year one, we build up the operational platform with a focus on delivering a superior learning experience. We will leverage our existing proven information and communication technology content and work closely with up to 3 pilot companies. In year two, we enrich the content by signing up agreements with additional content providers and expand our pilot to a broader set of customers and active learners. In year three, we achieve the first maturity phase, where we are able to scale up and deliver to a broad company and user base. We'll be able to generate the cash flow required to fund further expansion in content and geographically. This is what we test first and how we test. We assume that our platform brings better and more efficient learning to the user. We test this together with the HR departments of our pilot companies and compare against completion rates from the past. We also test that we provide a comprehensive catalog of skills and the right training by checking the number of new content providers signing on and that users do not go off platform to find the right training. We assume that employees like our approach to learning, so we measure referral and satisfaction rates. The same should be true for companies' HR departments. Therefore, we also measure their feedback, which is also highly appreciated input for further development. Our solution offers more flexibility and learning support than current online programs and seminars, which only offer content and a passing learning experience. Employers and employees need a vast variety of content, flexibility, and personalization. We have that to offer, and we can move classical content into the digital world. For companies, it's a win-win as learners design their own development plan based on their needs and the company goals. Success metrics are monitored by the employee on a personal level, and the company oversees the skill catalog and the achievements on a higher competence level. With this investment into a digital team, you add significant value to your company and 10 million euros revenue to your balance sheet in 3 years from now. Want to invest?